Let me show you how to save money while buying a used car. This means you have to avoid all the thieves and the cheats that are out there. In all of history, there's never been more used car buying opportunities than right now. But buying a used car is like entering the wild, wild west. There's crooks around every corner, cars that are salvaged, cars masquerading as roadworthy, people cloning cars, curb stoning them, and playing games with the car's title. The dangers of buying used is as great or greater than the financial benefits. Well, that's where I come in. I have a roadmap that can save you time and money shopping for a used car. And most importantly, I shed a light on the criminals, and they scatter like the cockroaches they are. More on that in a moment. I'm a real auto insider, someone who's seen every angle of the business, working closely with the biggest movers and shakers in the industry. My work experiences have led me to this point, but it was a personal experience that led me to this course's creation. I had a deal in place only to have the seller try and scam me to get me to pay more. Honestly, most of you listening to this would have probably backed down. I had my business background, I had people in the know, and for my business interests, I have an attorney. I was able to get them involved without any additional expense on my part. I got my car at my price, but the experience was awful. And I created this course to help smart shoppers like you defend yourself. Imagine being able to buy a used car with confidence, knowing it's a reliable vehicle and knowing you got a great price without having to haggle with the seller. They agreed to your price without resistance. There's a way to have everything you need to buy confidently, easily, and ensure you get a great price. Allow me to introduce you to the Auto Insider's complete used car buying system. In my used car buying system, I show you your options. I help you choose where to buy, the good and bad of each option, how to ensure you're really buying what you think you're buying, and avoid all the ripoffs around buying and selling used cars. I've had people tell me I've bought a used car before, which may be true, but there's hidden dangers depending on where you buy. For example, buying from a used car dealer is different than buying from eBay, and Facebook is different than Craigslist. And did you know you can buy used at some auctions? There are even auctions available online. There's valuable information I give you regarding every buying option. Flying blind without my help is dangerous. I give you all the information, knowledge, and methods you need. Just the time I save you is worth much more than what I'm asking for this course. Imagine being able to buy a quality, safe, used car at a great price. Without having to haggle with that seller, they will acknowledge your price is the right price. I don't just point you in the right direction. Nope. I help you every step of the way, from establishing your budget to making sure the title, insurance, and documentation is correct. I've bought a lot of used cars, and my system offers something no other product delivers. That's real-life shopping examples. You see, my course is real. You see my course in use, and you're going to gasp when I share my real interactions with a used car scammer. I recorded my conversations and document their scam in detail. I have to be honest, it was a nerve-wracking thing to do, and my heart sank when during one of my conversations, one of their other phones rang. There was somebody about to lose thousands of dollars to this scammer. It made my heart ache. I give you everything I described at the amazing low price of only $67. Yes, you heard that right. Only $67. It really is a no-brainer. Scroll down and grab your copy now. Like I said, there's no logical reason not to pick up this course. But in case you're even hesitating a little bit, you're certainly interested, you're still with me here, I'm offering a complete 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not happy, if my course doesn't save you money, no problem. Just let me know and I'll issue a complete refund. 100% 30-day guaranteed refund. I told you this is a complete no-brainer. What are you waiting for? Grab your copy now. Remember, I take the risk and danger out of shopping used while increasing your savings. Hey, the question is, why lose money? This isn't just theory. I give you real-world examples of how I've saved money and how I've uncovered online scammers. They are out there and they will take your money. Grab your copy now. You'll be glad you did. Not sure if you need my help? When you factor in the cost of a used car and the countless dangers lurking in the used car market, it's safe to say that buying a used car could be the most dangerous purchase the average person ever makes. It presents the greatest opportunity to lose the most amount of money. Let me show you how to avoid being part of that statistic. And hey, listen, make sure you look around my website. If you don't buy my course, I still want to help you. I don't want you to be a victim.